Well... all right. Oh, yeah!
And then roll the dough evenly to make sure there's no lumps.
Cinnamon roll, your cinnamon roll
Yes.
looks kind of like you. Can I add something? There! I'll call them cinnamon rolls, cinnamon rolls. Can I make these and sell them in the cafe?
I guess so. But who would want them?
Everyone! Oh, they're super cute.
We interrupt our programming.
What?
This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow.
Oh, really? Okay.
This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message.
Oh, no!
This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most
Get outta here!
stations will remain on the air providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. We are WCSCDT, and we will continue to serve the Charleston City area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to stations serving your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Charleston City area. Do not use your telephone. Telephone
Oh
line
my
should be kept
God!
away for emergency use.